आम आदमी पक्ष म्हळ्यार भाजपाची बी टीम. दिल्लीत लोकांक फटयले उपरांत आतां आम आदमी पक्षाचे फुडारी गोंयांत येवन गोंयकारांक पिश्यान काडपाक सोदता असो आरोप गोंय काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे ट्राजानो डिमेलो हांणी केला. गोंयकारांनी तांच्या ह्या पिशेपणाक भुलचें न्हय अशें तांणी मागलां. गोंयांत ज्या भशेन आम आदमी पक्षाचे फुडारी गोंयकारांक भुलयतात तशें तांचें काम पंजाबांतय चालू आसा अशी टिका तांणी फुडें केल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Who fooled Delhi and is out to fool Goa, Goans and in Punjab. Now we have been very clear, and our stance does not change, that AAP is the B team of BJP. One more incident has come to our knowledge. You know, very recently there is an FIR lodged against a ex-MD of the housing board. He is now being pressurized to join the AAP unconditionally. When earlier it was well reported that he was going to be made the face of AAP in Goa. And it is only if he agrees to this, the FIR that is lodged against him will be squashed. Is this what AAP is giving, promising the people? I showed you just now. सबका चारित्र बताया, clear है candidate. These are the people who are set up by the BJP to create chaos when the Congress is about to put Goa in order. It is well known fact that BJP has lost its credibility totally, and it cannot survive under normal ethical democratic norms. It has to create this chaos. Now, AAP should come out clear whether such an officer will be first of all accepted in the world. And this joker wanted to choose these thugs to show I am taking action. Loot through them, seduce women through them.
Now, who's seducing women and who's looting?
I said, this joker.
Who?
Kejriwal. I called him joker, no. I've given him title. That to a roadside joker, not survey joker. Who come for a few times, makes enthused people, by the time they reach home, they forwarded the whole thing. This joker used these thugs. Knowing that they were thugs, so he's trying to create a name. I've removed, I've taken action, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. But I showed you in the beginning how he vouched for the candidate.